In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to content planning in Milanote. First, open Milanote and create a fresh space to work in. Click New Board and give it a clear name like Video Planning System. Think of this as your central workspace where every idea, note, and file for your content will live. Starting with a dedicated board keeps everything together and makes it easier to see the big picture. Next, set up a simple 5-column workflow. Keep it lightweight so it stays usable. Begin with ideas, a parking lot for quick thoughts. Drop in short video ideas, brainstorm possible titles, and write hooks that grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Then move to plan. Here, outline or script the piece, list your key points in order, and decide on a clear call to action so viewers know what to do next. The create column is for production. Add filming notes, a simple shot list, and any assets you'll need like music or B-roll clips, so nothing gets missed on shoot day. After that comes edit. Keep an editing checklist and know any effects, captions, or specific cuts you want to make so post-production stays focused. Finally, use publish to track the release. Record the upload date, the platform, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, or another channel, and the status so you know if it's scheduled or already live. Organize each piece of content with a card. Treat each video as one card and keep everything about that video inside it. Include the working title, the goal, whether you're aiming for views, sales, or engagement, the script or concise bullet points, and any extra notes that will help you execute. As you work, simply move the card from ideas to plan, then to create, edit, and finally publish. This left to right flow gives you a visual pipeline so you always know what needs attention next. Keep your references close. Paste links directly into the relevant card, including Google Drive folders, reference videos you want to emulate, and thumbnail drafts. With everything in one place, you won't waste time hunting for files across tools. Most importantly, keep it minimal. Resist the urge to overcomplicate the board. Only add elements you truly use and prune anything that creates clutter. A streamlined system is easier to maintain and far more likely to stick, helping you turn ideas into published content consistently.